Alright guys, what is going on? Hope you're having an absolutely amazing Easter so far, considering I'm shooting this on Easter Sunday. We've just seen a video from Lee Zavitz, and he did the hashtag Blindfold Gimbal challenge, where it's basically the idea is that we use this stuff all the time, and I guess the old saying goes is that you're not so good that you can do it with your eyes shut. So today, we are gonna see if I can set up and balance the Weeble S while blindfolded, so let's get into it. Oh, now I've forgotten where everything is. All right, thank you. Oh, I really can't see anything. Fingers crossed that the cameras don't stop during this, because that'll be awkward. All right, let's put a timer on and let's see. I've literally forgotten where everything is. So, all right, so let's put a timer on and let's see how quickly we can set up the Zhiyun Weeble S while blindfolded. Let's go. Okay, so first things first. Okay, gimbal's here, plate, battery. Okay, well, battery's first, I guess. So, also I've just loosened everything off. So now it's probably a good time to mention that I'm way more confident with the Ronin S rather than the Weeble S, but I figured I'd do the Weeble S because that's what Lee did. We'll try to keep it even. Okay, so first things first, we need to put the batteries in. This way, I think. Each of the, yep. All right. Wait, it's actually really weird. My other senses are like super heightened, not having access to my eyes. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly like lock these because they're getting annoying. Obviously the tripody bit goes on here for now. Oh, you know what I've forgotten? I did the exact same thing as Lee. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna have a coin here so I can do up the plate. But I've completely forgotten it. So, first thing we need to unlock the arms. Yeah, let's just put that out of the way first. Oh God, don't drop that off. So today we are balancing the EOS R with the 16-35mm. So first things first, you need to put the plate on. Oh, this isn't the. I'm gonna leave the double thing set up because. Oh my goodness, look over the side. Where's the hole? Oh, I think that's it there. Oh God, this is there. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now I know with the 16-35 and EOS R, you need to basically put it as far forward as you can, and I know that I can push it up against this little lip here. Can't believe I forgot a coin of some sort to tighten this up. And I've also got this on because I stacked it on my electric skateboard the other week, and my thumb's still quite sore, so trying to not hurt it anymore, which this probably isn't helping at all. This is literally going to be like the longest part, just trying to do this bit up. Do I have anything? Actually, I remembered that I had to use a toolbox to set up. Let me try to find the toolbox. I put it over here somewhere. No, that's a keyboard. No, where was it? Oh, here it is. I had to use a toolbox to set up this set. So, now I gotta remember how this toolbox. Oh God. Okay. Oh, this is. Yep. Oh, yep. That's the screwdriver bit. I'm gonna flat a big flatty bit. Big flatty boy. That one, I think that's the one. Is that the one? I literally have no idea. It feels flat. Okay, let's put this down here. We don't need that. Let's do this up. And I also got to make sure this is aligned as well. How do I know if this is aligned or not? Actually, with this, I actually know to cheat. This lens guide will line it up pretty nice for me, so it's kind of a bit of a cheater's way. All right, now I really hope that's actually lined up properly. All right, I have no idea what the time is at the moment. I'm just so focused on getting everything set up. Okay, so we need to, I think that's the one to put the camera on. Let's just move this out of the way. That is definitely not on. Oh, is that in? Oh, yeah, we're in, okay. We're good. Now, I also balance this with the screen out, but for the purpose of this, I'm not gonna do that because that is just gonna be way too hard. Okay, so, okay, let's start the balance. So we're definitely front heavy, for sure. But I also know that this is way too low. This needs to come up for the EOSR. Okay, so we're not. Why is that hitting on that? Oh wait, what? Okay, so it's going forward, right this way. It's actually really hard because you have to like, okay, so it's going forward, which means that it could either be front heavy, which is not, which means that it's bottom heavy, which means that it needs to go up. Oh man. The balancing bit's definitely got to be the hardest bit, for sure. Okay, oh, I think we're actually balanced. When, like, from what I can tell, we're not moving. Okay, balance. Let me just lock these so they don't move. Oh, all right. One axis done. Next one is the back one. Well, that is hella hard. Okay, now this one I always get confused by. So I believe this one under here. Yeah, that does that one. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right. Whoa. Let's lock this up a little bit. Actually, I can probably lock this one. So we're only working with the one axis. Axis. I locked it too much now. Oh, I feel like there's pressure as well for me to like do this quickly. From what I can tell, it's not moving, so I think that's balanced. No, that's not moving. Okay, let's just see. That's actually seeming pretty good. All right, now the final axis, which is by far the hardest, is this. Oh, it's still locked. I was like, what is going on? It locks down here. This is by far the hardest one to do. Oh, I also have to make sure I'm at 16 mil. Oh, I really hope that hasn't changed. Oh no. Is that dropping? Oh, it is. All right, hopefully I can just push this back slightly. And then we are all good to go. Bit too far, I think. This is actually really hard, hey? All right, I think we're good there. Stay on 16 mil. Okay, so this last one, obviously, I balance it like this, and then I go like this, but I know this is gonna flick around hell hardcore. Now, I usually eye this, so I'm just gonna start adjusting and see what happens. Oh, that's flicking. So let's keep going that way and see if it helps or makes it worse. No, that's making it worse, okay. So let's go back the other way. Oh. That one's good. That one's still flicking. Let's keep going back. I honestly cannot remember how I had this set up, because I literally like set it up once and then, well, it seems to be getting better, so let's keep going that way. Is it moving? It seems to be holding. Oh, that one's moving me a little bit. It's pretty close. I reckon that'll be close enough to balance, so let's lock up all these arms. Make sure it's all G. One last quick check. Put it in a position. Make sure it's not moving. I think it's good. All right. Now the last bit is, how do we turn this on? The bottom one? Do I hold or? Oh. That sounds like it's on. Is it? Oh, is it a good? We all G? Seems like it's working good. Woo, 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 woo! All right, stop the timer. Let's see how well we did. Ugh. Imagine if the camera had died halfway through. Oh my God, it's so bright in here. Ah! Oh. Whew. All right. It is set up. Although the screen isn't out, but I can flip this around, which won't affect it. Bam, there we go. Balanced Weeble S while blindfolded. I don't know what the time is, whatever the time is, I'll put it here right now. But well, that was actually a lot harder than I expected. It was real weird, like when you put the blindfold on, you lose your vision. All my other senses, like my touch and stuff, really like elevated. I could like visualize kind of what I was touching and where I was on the gimbal and trying to get everything. So the one thing I did different to Lee is I didn't take this plate off, because you don't actually need to. You only really need that if you are going to take it off and take it on and off. So kind of cheated a little bit there, but guys, that is the blindfold gimbal challenge. Hope you enjoyed watching me struggle to put this together. If you want to try it out yourself, make sure to tag hashtag blindfold gimbal challenge so I can check it out. But yeah, super fun, highly recommend. All right guys, if you did like this one, consider liking and subscribing. And as always, stay creative and just be you. See ya. I'm too far away to see ya.